Well, more than 30 million Americans suffer from eczema, an incurable and non-contagious skin disease.
Yeah, patients experience constant itch and flares of inflammation that can interfere with sleep and participation in everyday life activities. Health reporter Haley Hernandez is here with more on treating the illness. So are there treatments?
There are treatments for the symptoms, but you can't really cure it and make it go away. Eczema actually, as I learned, mostly begins in childhood with a widespread flare-up. And Advanced Dermatology and Katie says it is a lifelong disease, but understanding what causes it and how to treat the symptoms is getting better.
Genetics predisposes kids like Sydney Bentley to eczema, an itchy skin inflammation that can sometimes keep kids up all night.
We would put gauze all over her midsection and tape it up because otherwise we couldn't keep her from scratching.
Treatments can reduce the symptoms, but in Houston, we encounter the triggers every day. Pollutants, allergens, harsh chemicals, and diet can all cause flare-ups. Dr. Sherry Ingraham says some new research shows taking a daily probiotic and using gentle soap-free cleansers can help.
Soap is the enemy of healthy skin.
She says when shopping for them, look for the ingredient ceramide and ask your doctor about prescriptions without a steroid to avoid side effects.
They can thin and lighten the skin with chronic use. So if we can pulse these steroids with steroid-free options, we get a better outcome.
New injections and even a bacteria spray are undergoing tests to someday improve the disease. Sydney was part of a clinical trial for one and says it wasn't a cure, but it helped better control her eczema.
I don't want other kids to have to go through this.
Now, eczema is not actually anything that you outgrow, which as we previously thought that was the case, but Dr. Ingraham said it can go away and reappear as an adult. So when it does come back as an adult, she said it commonly appears in smaller spots, like on your hands, not like the widespread
that you see
red
on a lot
itchy
of
skin that you
babies
see
and
on the kids.
Yeah, well, that is good to know.
Yeah, so I mean, I always thought, yeah, you outgrow it and it goes away, but she said it can always come back.
Oh, wow.
Knowing what triggers it certainly helps too.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you, Haley. We appreciate it.